Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you're watching us from. My name is Rachel Eddy. I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strong antibiotic for colds and flus. Yeah, so welcome and enjoy the video. You will need 4 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 red onion. Peel and clean them, and then for this part I advise you to use a mortar and pestle. Make it pound it and make it as soft as you can, but if you wish you can blend as well. In a can that has a lid, transfer everything together and add 4 to 6 tablespoons of honey, and then after that you stir the mixture together and then refrigerate it. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons every day until the mixture is gone, and then you can make a new batch. And of course incorporate some warm ginger teas and lemons as well as you drink this. So I just wanted to show you this remedy and I hope you try it sometime. Have fun as you try these simple remedies in your own kitchen. Have a beautiful day from wherever you are, and God bless you. See you next time, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So guys, do not take cold stuffs. When you want to take it, toa kwa fridge mapema, then itoke baridi, then kunywa, alafu rudisha. Then do the same thing next when you want to take it. Thank you. Just a reminder.